This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. Today, we are taking a look at this dash cam. So this is what it looks like. Now the dash cam does rotate, so you can move it for a better position. You got your TF ports on the back, audio and video in, DC. Peel this off for your screen. So this is just going to mount pretty much up like this on your dash or on your windshield, and then you can move this around to fit your needs. It actually might go up like this. And of course you have your accessories as well. So you got your back or front facing, depends on which camera you want to use. They give you your power cables for connecting and all that fun stuff. So plenty of cable length for all your needs. They give you your adapter as well. So you plug this in your 12 volt and you can connect your camera and all that fun stuff. So yeah, they give you everything you need, your double-sided tape, your manuals and all that stuff in there.